Hey now, I'm making a video.
If anybody needs to take me any part.
Oh boy. He brought the tool bag.
Screwdriver? You got a Phillips head?
Let's go off.
Zip gun.
Right behind you.
Phillips.
Phillips head. Just take that thing apart. Thanks, man.
Yeah, that's probably.
That's all I need.
This is like a fucking Fanimation event, isn't it?
Pretty much.
Well, we're all like deprived because we.
Because we didn't get one this year.
Do you guys all go together then?
Yeah, usually. Although 2 people are missing this time, but I needed a vacation from them.
Alright, dude, you're freezing me out.
Hey,
Feels good.
it's going off.
And that one does look good, right?
It does look good in here.
Well, that one in the kitchen there, he's meant to have that one. I liked it, but it matches his stuff. Actually, that
Honestly, I want one of these, but I don't know where I'd hang it.
that ornate one looks better in my living room 'cause